In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google certificate error message. So friends, to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Services, open Services. Now in here find out Windows time, right click on it, click on Properties. Now select Startup Type as Automatic, then click on Start, then Apply, then OK. Now close it and restart your PC. If still you are facing error, so try second method. Click on Start, then type Internet option, open Internet options. In here click on Advanced. Now you need to find out two option. This one, check for publisher's certificate revocation. So uncheck this one, and similarly uncheck this second option, check for server certificate revocation. So just you need to uncheck these both box, then apply, then OK. That's it. So hopefully friends, by using this simple tool method, error this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.